Today I'm going to be looking at these, the EKSA E1000WT True Wireless Gaming Headset. And this has got EKSA's Voice Pure ENC technology and EKSA 7.1 surround sound base. So not Bluetooth, does come with a USB dongle. Works with PS5, PS4, Xbox One S or X, Nintendo Switch and the PC. Will also work with any audio device with a audio jack, because there is a 3.5mm jack included which will plug into the headphones. So let's get them unboxed. The box itself is quite nice. We've got details on here. EKSA E1000WT wireless gaming headset features Voice Pure ENC technology and equips with EKSA 7.1 sound base, offering extraordinary voice communication and immersive gaming experience. It comes with a 3.5mm audio cable and supports PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox One S or X, Nintendo Switch, smartphones, tablets and other gaming devices. Besides, you can go to our official website to download the driver and customise your preferred sound mode. In the package we get the headset, an audio cable, USB dongle, Type-C charging cable, carry pouch and a user manual. Just have a quick look at the specs. So speaker size is 50mm on each side. Unit impedance 32 ohms. Frequency range 20Hz to 20kHz. Sensitivity decibels and MW, I don't know what that is. 105 plus minus 3 decibels. Goodness knows what that means, but I'm sure some of you out there will know. Lithium battery in there, up to 36 hours with the lights off. Rated power 5 volts 1 amp, charging time 2.5 hours. The microphone that comes as part of them is a condenser mic with an omnidirectional polar pattern. Sensitivity -42 plus minus 3 decibels. Impedance 2.2 kilo ohms. I think I've said that right. Let's get into it. Oh, plenty of goodies in here. Some manuals. So we'll just discard the box. Manuals wise, please refer to the product FAQ at support.eksa.net. So you may have to, on Mac or Windows, go in and change your audio settings to make sure the output is coming to the headphones or the input through the microphone. User manual, quite chunky, lots of different languages in there, all of those to be precise. So we've got just some more details, got the specs again, got working our way around, we've got head cushion, length adjustment, colourful RGB lights, rotatable microphone, ear cushions, USB 2.4G dongle, 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, volume adjuster, mic mute button, ENC button, power on off button, multifunctional button, status indicator, 3.5mm wire mode port, charging indicator, Type-C charging port. So all of that on one side of the headphones. It's got volume control, details there, mic button and power button, so you do different things. So hold it down for 1 second, you turn surround on or off, double click, lights on or off, press for 3 seconds, power on or off. So 7.1 surround sound base does come from the app on Windows. To finally adjust that, obviously PS4, PS5, Switch and Xbox, you're not going to get that, but you will, it says on here, you'll get plug and play 7.1 sound base, so that's pretty good. You just can't tweak it. Just instructions there of how to use it using different devices. This is what you came for, the product itself. It's got a little bag of goodies here. Just empty that. So we've got the USB dongle. So these aren't Bluetooth, so you're going to need that to use them wirelessly with certain devices. So PC, I'm going to try it with. USB-C charging cable, got plenty of these, I've now got another one. And then handily a 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack. Notice there's 3 bands on there, so it does carry the microphone signal as well, not just the audio out. And then we'll open the bag. Just on the other side you got a logo. It's a nice sort of soft feeling type of bag, and here we go, headphones themselves. So I've got like a metal effect on the side, quite big and chunky. Look like they'll be comfy though, plenty of movement in these. And then we've got the microphone that just folds down like so. So we'll just take this last bit of packaging off. So they're quite heavy, but I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. I mean, they're going to be resting on your head, so that's fine. So I've now powered these on, and as you can see, the RGB lighting effect is now in operation, which is really cool. I'm just having a look around the headphones. On this one, you've just got USB-C charging point, and then on this one, you have the 3.5mm jack area. You've got an LED light to show that the power is on, although you do have the RGB lighting for that. So you've got the multifunction buttons here. So top one here, that you can feel the top of that, so you can know the difference between that button and the other button. So this one, if you tap it, it turns the microphone on or off. If you hold it down, it changes the ENC between off and on. And then this bottom button here, hold it down for power on or off. And then if you just tap it, you can turn the surround sound on or off. If you want to preserve the battery life, you double tap that button, it'll turn the LEDs off. You've still got the little blue light there, just notifying you that it's searching for the receiver and that the power's on. Volume here is just a movable adjustable dial. There's quite a lot of length in it, so quite a range of volume there that you'll be able to adjust to your liking. If you do plug the 3.5mm jack in to the headphones and then into another source, then what it will do, it will turn all the power off to the headphones, but they will work without needing to use any of the battery, just like a traditional pair of headphones. That's really good. I have tested them and they are very, very loud in that mode, so that's good. Could use these for DJing. I mean, the microphone might not necessarily want to use, but in terms of noise cancellation and hearing your mix, then potentially you could be using these even in a very, very loud venue. So I've just got the headphones on now. As you can see, they aren't too imposing. They are quite large, but you really, if you're using them for gaming, then you kind of want to be in the zone anyway. You don't want any distractions, so that's good. Okay, right now I am recording my voice through the microphone here, and I have got ENC switched off, and now I'll try it with it switched on. And now I have ENC on, and what this should be doing is blocking out 96% of the background noise that isn't my voice. So let me know what you think in the comments. What I'm going to do now is just download the EKSA driver for this headset. So just go on the EKSA website and then the downloads page. And we can find it here, so the E1000WT. So we'll just click download. Okay, so once that's installed, we get lots to mess about with here. So you can change it between 7.1 surround sound, game, and then we've got loads of different presets, or we can customize it. And then we can go into stereo sound, music, which turns surround off for you, and then it lets you adjust some settings there as well. So you've got like your usual pop, rock and roll, deep bass, jazz, classic, or customize. So just put it into pop. There we go. Low end, boosted, mid range, dropped a little bit. You know the usual drill. If we go customize, we can adjust these up and down as we see fit. And then we can save it back in surround sound mode. There is a little button there you can press to test. Obviously not going to show on the video because it's not going to really do much for you, but you really can hear the surround sound. I don't know how it works, but it's very, very clever. I do really like it. And you've also got the mic ENC as well. You can switch it on and off from within the app. Really, really cool for gaming. Proper immersive experience wearing these. So I'm actually going to end the video wearing them and recording my voice because I'm that impressed. Considering that these are a low budget 7.1 surround gaming headset that's wireless, that's got a huge battery life, I'm hugely impressed. I've actually been using these for a few days to listen to music. They are so loud. They are like the loudest pair of headphones that I now own. I'm not usually a fan of wireless headsets that require a dongle, a USB dongle, but on this occasion I'm going to let that slide because they work really, really well with the PC. I did see in the documentation that the 7.1 surround using the dongle only also works with PS4 and PS5. Any other device, so your Switch or your Xboxes, you're going to have to use a 3.5mm jack. A little bit disappointing, but I understand why. They can't really design this to work with all of them in the same way. So they opted to go for PC and PlayStation, PC being the easiest one to operate with. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so below, and I'll see you in the next one.